Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Calm Design. Today I want to talk about used planners, old planners, one that you've filled in and you're done with. What can we do with those? I'm going to share 5 things and then I'm going to show you what I do with mine. So what can we do with these when they are full and you're done with it, right? It's just a reference tool at that point. Do you want to keep it? That's the first thing that you should decide. Are you going to keep it? If you're going to keep it, where are you going to put it? And I'm going to give you permission right here, right now. If you do not have storage room, you have permission to toss it. If you know that you're not going to look at it again, throw it away. Throw it away. If it was like this and you could use the discs and the covers, then I would save those and just take the insides out. But you're under no obligation to save these suckers. None. You have permission to throw it away if you need to. Now, I will say maybe you want to shred some of that information or burn it. Okay, so the second thing that you can do with these, and this is what I do, I just store them on a shelf. I just store mine on a shelf. I will show you at the end of the video, there'll be a tag down here somewhere, maybe around here, where I show you what I do with mine. I store mine in a couple of places, but yeah, you can just store them on a shelf. You can put them in a closet, just store them somewhere. And then you can decide at a later date whether or not you're going to get rid of them. You don't need to decide now. Okay, the third thing that you can do is rather than keep them on the classic discs, what you can do is get some of the expander discs. They come in like 2, I think you can even get 3 or 2.5, 3-inch discs, so that you could put like 3 planners in one. This is especially good if you Frankenplan. You can just put the whole thing together in one little section and have it be its own year. So you could just put them on expander discs and then you can use the covers and the discs for another year. So the fourth thing that you can do with one of these suckers is take the disc off, take the covers off, and then just either wrap it up, like put it in paper and wrap it up, and then have it like, almost like, I think of like a ream of paper, like really securely wrap it up like a present or a gift, and then just put it in the closet or somewhere, so store it somewhere. Or you could put it in a box. Or if you want it to look a little bit more festive, then you can just wrap it in a ribbon and then just tie the ribbon up, because that will pretty much keep it all contained and together. On a similar note, the fifth thing that you can do is you can, again, you take the cover and the discs off and you can get it bound. You can get it bound at an office supply store or something like that. If you want to use the discs and the cover for something else and you don't want to leave it as is, then just bind the sucker, because it's all done now. You're not going to put anything else in there. So it doesn't matter if it's bound or not, right, at that point. All right, as a bonus, and I'm going to leave a link to her video down below, and I will try and tag it if I get a chance, but Stephanie from Squared Plans, what she does is she takes the discs and the covers and she switches them out for what I want to call a generic set. So you get like the frosted matte covers, and you can make these. I just made these using a Dollar Tree cutting mat. And then you get like regular discs, and you make yourself like a generic set so that they're all uniform. I kind of like the idea purely because when you look at the cover, it doesn't have this on it. Because what you do is you create a new cover with the year and the planner. So for this one, it will be Vertical Wellness 2023. And I know that everything in here is from my wellness planner for 2023. So I'm kind of tempted to try that. But first of all, let's look at what I actually do right now. Now, mostly I'm talking about these. These are my old planners. These are my old planners from the last 20 years. Now, I don't reference these old planners that often. These are from 2005 to around 2020. I don't reference these that much. So these are going to get hidden in my closet. I would like to have them out, but that is a lot of planners to have out. So for now, they get put back on the top shelf of the closet. And that's a lot of planners. All my older happy planners from previous years are on this shelf. So I've got my work planner, my journals, my health planner, and my catch-all planners here, as well as a couple of other projects like my current one little word and my little travel journal that I did. So this is past planners. This is where I currently plan. And then this is where I keep the archives of my Franken planning, because I keep 3 planners in one in my Franken planner system. I've got my catch-all, my health planner, and my journal in here. And then right here, next to my gajillion sticker books, I have the rest of those planners so that they're readily available for me to just go to. If I put them on the other side where my past planners are, I get kind of confused as to which are my current planners and which are from previous years. So I keep them far apart just so that I know these are the current years. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with my older happy planners. Let me know what you do with yours. I hope you enjoyed this and you just saw a little peek into my room, and I will be sharing more soon. All right, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye. Hello. No. So what can we do with, is that upside down? Yes, it is. Of course it is. My husband is out for 3 days, and I have a dog that won't stop squeaking a toy. Dude! Hello, my planner pals, and welcome back. And if you... Oh, hey. Go chase it. Send help, I've got a squeaky toy.